Good evening, guys. We are now at the Cruz Del Sur bus station, waiting for our bus to take us to Huaraz.
Seems relatively pain-free for now. So we arrived about 1 hour earlier. We had to check in our baggage.
It's the first time I didn't need to carry my own bag all the way to the bus. This is what it means to travel luxury bus in Peru.
We can't trust other people, so
Yeah.
we need to make sure our bag gets onto the bus.
Yeah. Never trust anyone else with your bags.
I'm at seat 29. I couldn't find the 30. That's actually behind this curtain. The bus is so big. Oh, this bus is huge. Just divide the curtain so that I don't see you. Oh. Let me see what the toilet looks like. Toilet tour, toilet bowl, window for ventilation, sink. Leaving 9:30 on the dot.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We've just arrived at the small town of Huaraz in central Peru after a exceedingly long bus ride. It was supposed to be 8 hours, but it turned into like a 15 or 16 hour bus ride because there was an accident along the singular road that brings us here, and we're stuck behind it the entire night. We woke up after a nice long overnight sleep and we hadn't moved.
But good thing was that we took Cruz Del Sur, not first class but double class suite, which had a very nice reclining seat with a lot of leg room, and we were very comfortable the whole way. The toilets worked, the water works, the flush works, the soap works.
That's all that matters on an
Very
overnight
important.
bus.
Yes.
We're here in Huaraz to do a couple of big hikes. This is known as one of the hiking meccas in Peru and in the world.
Huaraz is beautiful. It's like Switzerland,
Yeah.
but with less money.
Yeah.
In the town, you're surrounded by ice-capped mountains. It's crazy.
Yeah. Huaraz sits at about 3,000 meters above sea level, so slightly lower than Cusco, but all the treks go way higher. The tours that we've seen have been surprisingly cheap after our foray in Galapagos, as
And
well as in
Cusco.
Cusco, Machu Picchu.
Yeah.
So pleasantly surprised by the prices.
Very affordable hikes.
Tomorrow we're going on a 2-day trek, and we're going to be probably sleeping at around 4,500, 4,600 meters.
Oh my god, that's even higher than the highest point I've ever trekked on.
Yeah, and we're
And
going
the
to be
highest
sleeping
point
there.
was where? Dead Woman's Pass
Dead
at
Woman's-
4,002.
Yeah,
And we're going to be sleeping at 4,004. Oh,
we'll see how it
I
goes.
feel breathless.
Yep, so catch you guys there.
A gang of dogs.
Gracias.
We chanced upon this random stall in the middle of, I think, a park selling ceviche, and it looks so good we just had to get it as a snack before lunch. So it's really special. Wait, first of all, look at this. It's a metal spork. It was very interesting because this ceviche has crab and it looks really good. There are many locals that come here, and it costs 15 soles for a mixed ceviche. It comes with fish, crab, sweet potato, corn, some like chicharron thing, and seaweed. And oh, this crispy corn. I'm gonna give it a try. This is the fish. The fish tastes pretty fresh. The sauce is savory, it's slimy, not slimy, limey. Better than some of the restaurant ceviches that we've had. And it's also a bit spicy. How do I eat this? I'm gonna try this now. Oh, that's really good. The crab is sweet, but it goes so well with that spicy, limey, salty sauce. It's so good. It's super good. to John. This is so good. I think this is the best ceviche we've had in Peru.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to episode 3 of Fine Dining with John and Jocelyn. Tonight, we have the pleasure of having only the most delicious, authentic Italian pasta purchased from a random store in Huaraz, Peru. We have penne with onions, chilies, as well as some random ham, which disintegrated as we cooked it in a pan. I'm not sure what it is. Now I'm gonna give it a try. Smells like tomatoes. Delicious! Perfectly cooked al dente pasta, cheap tasting, tomato sauce, and a hint of onion flavor. Very delicious, a wholesome meal, fit for a king. And to chase it down, more of our finest wine. Some kind of mixed fruit juice. Delicious. And that concludes another episode of Fine Dining with John and Jocelyn. See you next time.
There are many. Wait. There's a bone. She helped us crack the crab. But we saw an idiot trying to smash it with a fork. We had to check in our baggage.